Trăng bạc jela Conrad kisang mau la keu haransan ban bu jingkeli ya Nongrwai rap ba paunam kari kemudian nak ke jela wat syabariru kesamla rebel lamari ya kene Conrad abu jingkeli ha ka jingpun kubrom ya kene kesamla Nongrwai ha ke program Hello Megalaya Music Awards ha ke bak samla rebel ka siap kubrom ha kene ke sisa jan hanung ba silong Conrad long bak samla ka jela ke pek khmat ya kesamla rebel bat ke Khubor bakadon ban ai men sem ya kesamla ka jela ka Samla rebel ka ong ba ki Samla ka miglaya kidon sibun ka sap nrei kidon kam ya karansan bakin pen i ka sap jongki namar ba klem karansan ka sap kan long sep
Let's have a few more pictures. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, put your hands once again for Rebel. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, before we allow Rebel to go, thank you, sir. Thank you to all of our dignitaries.
So, you have really taken, the entire country by storm. You are an icon for so many of our youngsters. And I'm sure, especially in this crowd, so many look up to you. Do you have a message for them as well as for the lakhs of youth that are there in our state? So, what would your message be to our youth, and especially to our musicians?
First of all, thank you so much for having me here. It's really an honor, and I'm so glad that you appreciate what I'm doing. It really is an honor. Thank you so much. All right, answering the question is, to the musicians and to the youth of, Meghalaya, I think, like I said, we have a story. We have so much talent. Earlier, we didn't have things like this, a music award. That was not something I ever thought of when I was still in Shillong. It was more of, I need to get out of here so I could do something. But now, you guys have a platform, you have something, and you need to utilize that. You need to really go out there, because the kind of talent that's here, you guys have no idea. I've done what I could, I've gone out, I've worked with many amazing musicians across the country, also worked with a lot of, a few international artists, and I think the thing that we have here is very special. You guys may not realize that, because sometimes when you're in a small bubble, you might not understand how special it is, that thing that you have. You really need to go out there and show them. And once you go out there, you'll realize just how good you are. You guys are so amazing. I was watching all the performances, since the first one, the choir, the kids, everybody, you guys are so good. You have no idea how good you are, and you really need to believe that. We need more people. Thank you.
Do we have one last question?
My question today, was there a woman that this is it, what you are doing in your life today?
You mean like a moment where I
Yeah, a moment when you mean, or I mean that a moment that you think that this is it, yeah.
Yeah, I think ever since I started doing music, I always felt like this is it. I've never felt different. I think ever since I was small, I always knew that this was gonna happen. And I think it's very important to feel that way every day.
Okay, thank you. Keep rocking.
Thank you.
Okay, can we have a second question, please? Yes, right here.
Hello. Hi. So I also have a question for you. What's something about making music in Shillong that people outside Meghalaya that just don't get.
You mean, what is it that we have that people don't understand?
Yes.
Okay, I think it's a story. You know, when you come from a place like this, you have to have like very big dreams. And I think we have a very unique story to tell. I think that's something that we should help people understand, not look at it as something as, oh, they don't get us, or they don't understand us, but like maybe this is something that is different about us and something that can actually drive our art. I hope that answers it.
Thank you so much. Welcome.
So, that's nothing like a little service.